In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to troubleshoot common issues with QuickBooks Online. Because QuickBooks Online runs in your web browser, many common problems are actually caused by the browser itself rather than the QuickBooks account. So if pages are loading slowly, buttons are not responding, or something does not look quite right, one of the easiest places to start is by clearing your browser cache. To do that, begin by opening QuickBooks Online and going to your QuickBooks dashboard. Once you're there, look near the address bar in your browser and click the settings icon located at the top left area around the start of the URL bar. This will open options related to the website you're currently viewing. From there, select Site Settings. This section lets you manage browser data specifically for the QuickBooks site, which is useful because it helps refresh stored files without affecting everything else in your browser. When websites save temporary files over time, those files can become outdated or corrupted, and that may cause display issues or prevent certain features from working properly. Inside Site Settings, you'll have the option to delete data for the site. Go ahead and remove that data to clear the cache for QuickBooks Online. After that, reload the page and sign back in if needed. In many cases, this simple refresh can fix a surprising number of common issues. If the problem continues, the next thing to try is using incognito mode, sometimes called private browsing depending on your browser. Open a new incognito window and then sign into QuickBooks Online from there. This is a helpful test because incognito mode usually disables most browser extensions by default and uses a clean browsing session. If QuickBooks works normally in incognito mode, that's a strong sign that a browser extension may be interfering with the site. For example, ad blockers, privacy tools, or other add-ons can sometimes affect how QuickBooks loads or behaves. Testing in incognito helps you narrow down whether the issue is related to the browser environment rather than QuickBooks itself. These two quick checks, clearing the browser cache and testing in incognito mode, are often the fastest ways to troubleshoot common QuickBooks Online issues before moving on to more advanced fixes. That's all for this video.